Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Threads direct message not sending or loading on our iPhone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Thread needs a stable connection. For message, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Next, close and reopen the Threads app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and swipe up with the Threads app to close it completely. Wait a few seconds, then open the app again and try sending your message. Now restart your iPhone. Restarting clears temporary glitches that can prevent messages from loading. Turn off your iPhone, wait about 30 seconds and turn it back on. After that, update the Threads app. Open the App Store, search for Threads and tap Update if available. App updates often fix bugs that affect direct message. Finally, check Threads server status. Sometimes DM problems happen because Threads server are down or busy. In that case, waiting is the only solution, and that's it. This step should fix Threads direct message not sending or loading on our iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.